Premium packaging designed for global brands. HD08 Professional High-Speed Hair Dryer. User manual and instruction book included. Elegant rose red finish. Available in 9 customizable colors. CN, EU, US, UK plugs with 1.8 meters and 3.0 meters cables. 5 magnetic nozzles included. Smooth air nozzle. Modeling nozzle. Side by side for comparison. Precision manufacturing. OEM, ODM customization. Anti-flying nozzle. Diffusion nozzle. Gentle air nozzle. Your professional partner in hairstyling tools.